Dr. Cameron here. Today we're going to be explaining natural selection and artificial selection. Artificial selection is like this, where us humans interfere with the animals, and then we take the species, and then we make it into another species, like this. This is what scientist Diego is doing right now. As you can see, he is turning these cows and transferring their DNA into this to get a specific allele and gene out into the cow.
Some organisms in the same populations are better adapted to their environment, and so they tend to survive and reproduce more offspring. For example, organisms who are not equipped for their environment may fall to predators. These factors in genetic variation may differ because crossing over and recombination of genes.
The potential for a species to increase in number for natural selection and artificial selection doesn't really differ. But in natural selection, some organisms may die because they're not suited to their environment. For example, these cows outside here, they're not suited to live on there because they don't have the food requirements. Therefore, they will die, or just live on this environment.
Mutations and heritable genetic variation of individuals in the species can differ because the alleles
Two organisms might fight over limited resources, as these two. This is an example of natural selection, because humans aren't tampering with it. The one who lives gets to reproduce and emit offspring, and those offspring will have kids, and there'll be adaptation. Let's see who wins. As you can see, Didu, the white dog, has won. And now he will get to have offspring.
No, that's not fair. Where we
go.
The proliferation in natural selection can either be stable, being around the carrying capacity, or it could follow disruptive selection, stabilizing selection, and directional selection.